All right, well, let's stick with baseball here. Yankees outfielder Aaron Judge breaking the American League single-season home run record last night with his 62nd homer of the season. But what will happen with that ball? One fan has a very, very important decision to make. Yahoo Finance's Josh Schafer is following the story all over, tracking its every move. What everyone wants to know is, how much is this ball going to be worth?
Yeah, Shauna, so I called a couple people today to try and figure that out, right? Because there's varying prices, of course, right? Everyone has kind of a different number here. But I spoke with Ken Golden of Golden Auctions, who's a very famous face in the space. He values this at $1.25 million. He thinks that's what the ball is worth today. Aaron Judge could play tonight and hit a home run, by the way, which might move the value down slightly. He's not in the lineup, so we're not expecting that to happen. But that's what Ken Golden thinks the ball is worth. What is it going to sell for? More than that, because he thinks there's a little bit of a prisoner of the moment kind of scenario here. And we should mention that there's already a $2 million offer out there, right? The Memory Lane president, J.P. Cohen, now actually Memory Lane is a memorabilia company itself. And I spoke to Cohen earlier today. He's got a $2 million offer out on this ball, guys, and he's ready to pay it right now. They've tried to reach out to Corey Humans, who caught the ball. They haven't been able to contact him. They've tried to reach out to his wife, who's a sports reporter and a little bit more public facing. They haven't been able to contact her, but they want to buy this ball for $2 million ASAP. Ken Golden's advice to Corey, don't sell it to them for $2 million. Put it up to public auction, because what if someone wants to pay you $4 million? You don't know until it's up for public auction. He thinks put it up in public auction over the next 2 weeks. That's the proper play with the ball.
Gotta think this ball goes for more than $2 million, don't you, Josh? Just based
on that's double.
Based on what we're seeing in this memorabilia market the last couple of months.
So here's the interesting thing, Dave. It probably will go for more than $2 million, right? But Ken, who knows the space better than you or I, right? He follows the space, he sells the things. He doesn't think it's going to be worth more than $2 million 2 years down the line, because there's not a lot of ball collectors. That's why everyone's saying trade the ball, get Aaron Judge's cleats, get his bat. Those are more popular collector items.
Interesting.
His bat last night is a more popular collector item that someone wants in their house than the ball. He said trading card space, more than 5 million people. The ball collecting space, probably less than 1,000. He doesn't think the ball is really what people want in the long term.
Gotta tell you, being from New York and being a Yankee must at least double the value of that ball. If this was a Tampa Bay Ray, a Texas Ranger, a Colorado Rocky, $500,000.
Yeah,
I'm a Red Sox fan, so I'm not buying it.
Well, the price point really puts me out of it. It was the $2 to $4 million. If it was anything less, I, of course, would have been in. All right, Josh Schafer, thanks so much for that update.